Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. We have launched a giveaway for our valuable subscribers yesterday. Do participate, it is a genuine one. Follow all the 5 instructions mentioned in the description of the giveaway video and you are eligible for it automatically. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. In which of the following state did Bulandshahr violence took place? Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand or Chhattisgarh? The answer is B, Uttar Pradesh. In the state of Uttar Pradesh, the Bulandshahr violence took place. Now, what is this violence about and how did it start? The main cause of the violence is cow carcasses were found in the Maha village. People protested and alleged that cow slaughtering was happening in that place. Now, the main culprit for inciting the riot was Yogesh Raj, member of Bajrang Dal. He is accused as number 1 in the FIR on mob violence and currently is on the run. Now 2 persons have been killed including Inspector Subodh Kumar Singh. National Human Rights Commission has issued notice to the state government and the DGP over this incident. Who is elected as the President of the Mexico? Andres Manuel Lopez Obrador, Enrique Pena Nieto, Ricardo Anaya or Margarita Zavala? Very important, you need to know the recently elected presidents. The answer is A, Andres Manuel Lopez Obrador, officially known as the President of United Mexican States. The current President Lopez Obrador took his office on December 1st, 2018. Augusta Westland case is related to which of the following scams? Coal scam, 2G scam, chopper scam or fighter jet scam? The answer is C, chopper scam. Very important. Augusta Westland is a helicopter manufacturing Anglo-Italian based company. Now, India signed a contract to purchase almost 12 Augusta Westland helicopters in the year 2010 to escort the President, Prime Minister and other VVIPs. In 2013, the contract was frozen because several Indian politicians and military officials have been accused of accepting bribes from Augusta Westland in order to win the Indian contract. Now, yesterday, James Mitchell, Augusta middleman, had been extradited from United Arab Emirates to India. Now, James Mitchell, who has been alleged of 3,700 crore Augusta Westland helicopter deal bribery case, has been extradited. So remember this Augusta Westland case related to chopper scam in India. Which of the following book has been released by Varun Gandhi? Urban Manifesto, Rural Manifesto, Rurban Manifesto or Farmers Manifesto? The answer is B, Rural Manifesto is the book released by Varun Gandhi. Varun Gandhi, Member of Parliament from Sultanpur of Uttar Pradesh. His book released in Shilpakala Vedika of Hyderabad. Now his book is drawn from anecdotes, statistics and RTI information. Which of the following is the most influential hashtags on Twitter in India? Hashtag MeToo, hashtag Sarkar, hashtag Karnataka elections or hashtag Deepveer? The answer is B, hashtag Sarkar. It is the most influential hashtags on Twitter in India this year. Now, South Indian movies rule Twitter in India. Sarkar sets Twitter on fire. Sarkar is a 2018 Indian Tamil language action drama film directed by A.R. Murugadas and portrayed by actor Vijay. The top 10 most influential hashtags on Twitter in India this year are hashtag Sarkar followed by MeToo, Karnataka elections, Kerala floods, Aadhaar, Justice for Asifia and etc. Indian Parliament has passed the Rights of Disability Act in which of the following year? 2015, 2016, 2017 or 2018? The answer is B, 2016. So remember, Rights of Disability Act has been enacted in the year 2016. Very important. Recently on December 3rd, It is observed as International Day of Persons with Disabilities. A study has been conducted by Disability Rights India Foundation. Now, many states in India are not implementing this act properly. Almost 79% states not allocated funds, and 87% states without a public prosecutors, and 58% states not notified state rules under this act. Now, this is the problem in India. There are many good laws or acts enacted by our parliament in our country, but no proper leaders to implement these kind of laws. According to data journalism website India Spent, reports of cow vigilantism registered high in southern states, western states, eastern states or northern states. The answer is D, northern states. Now, report by the website India Spent says that cow vigilantism is registered high in northern part of India, and in northern state Uttar Pradesh registered the highest number of cow vigilantism incidents and deaths. The database also shows that half the victims of the violence were of Muslims. ICDS provides food, preschool education and primary health care to children under the age of how many years? 0 to 1 year, 0 to 3 years, 0 to 5 years or 0 to 6 years. The answer is D, 0 to 6 years. ICDS is a flagship program, very important integrated child development scheme launched in the year 1975. Works under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Now, this is an editorial in today's Hindu newspaper which talks about the Global Nutrition Report 2018. High levels of stunting and wasting is seen in northern and central India when compared to of entire southern India. This shows the important role played by the political commitment. Now, the Anganwadi scheme, known as the ICDS scheme, needs to be implemented properly in all the states. It needs to be reviewed and targeted properly for the nutrition supplementary. India ranks 103 out of 119 countries in recent Global Hunger Index 2018. Remember this, very important. And remember the ICDS scheme. Which of the following is the India-Bhutan hydropower project? Mangdachu Power Project, Koina Hydropower Project, Karcham Wangtu Hydropower Project or Kolongchu Hydropower Project? The answer is A, Mangdachu Hydropower Project, very important. Now, Bhutan is a Buddhist kingdom on the Himalayas eastern edge. Capital of Bhutan is Thimphu and the current Prime Minister is Shering Togbay. Now, India is helping Bhutan to build 750 megawatt Mangdachu hydropower project which will commission in this month itself. Which football player received Ballon d'Or award? Luka Modric, Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi or Kylian Mbappe? The answer is A, Luka Modric of Croatia is the world's best player now. He received the Ballon d'Or, also known as Golden Ball Award, which is an annual football award presented by the France Football. It honors the players deemed to have performed the best over the previous year based on the voting. And Hedgerberg is the first woman to receive the Ballon d'Or award. Remember, this Ballon d'Or award has been dominated since 10 years by Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi, and the first time ever Luka Modric received this award. Let's see the quote for the day. Stay away from negative people. They have a problem for every solution. Now, always surround yourself with positive people so that you live a happy life. This is it for today. If you like my videos, mention your views in the comment section. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.